I have found specimens from 11 of the 30 orders of insects. This video is about my favorite order, Hymenoptera. Hymenoptera comes from the Greek words meaning membrane and wing, because their wings are thin and transparent. Hymenopterans have strong mandibles and 2 large compound eyes plus 3 simple eyes called ocelli. Female hymenopterans have a sharp tube for laying eggs called an ovipositor. Life's biggest question is, how are you going to put food on the table for your kids? Hymenopterans answer that question in a dizzying variety of ways. Hymenoptera is divided into 2 suborders, Symphyta and Apocrita. The Symphyta are the sawflies. They differ from the rest of the order by not having tiny waists. They are called sawflies because their ovipositors look like saws. A mother sawfly cuts open a plant and lays her eggs inside. The larvae hatch and eat the plant. The narrow-waisted Apocrita are themselves divided into 2 groups, based on whether their ovipositor only delivers eggs, the Hymenoptera, or if it also delivers venom and is therefore a stinger, the Aculeata. All ichneumonids are solitary parasitoids. They use their ovipositors to place their eggs inside other arthropods. When the eggs hatch, the larvae eat their hosts from the inside out. And because almost every potential host species seems to have a species of ichneumoniid uniquely adapted to exploit it, ichneumonids are probably the most diverse of all animal groups. Ichneumonids are divided into 2 families, the ichneumons and brachinids, but there's no easy way to distinguish between the 2. Aculeata, the ones with stingers, are divided into 8 superfamilies. I have found specimens from 4. The most beautiful are the Chrysoidea, jewel wasps. Photographs don't do justice to their dazzling metallic luster. Many of them are kleptoparasites. That means that instead of laying their eggs inside another insect, like the ichneumons, they lay their eggs where another insect has laid her eggs. When the jewel wasp larvae hatch, they eat the host larvae, and maybe also the food she provisioned for them. The members of superfamily Vespoidea that I have found fall into 2 groups. The beautiful potter wasps are mass provisioners. That means that a female builds a nest, often shaped like a little clay pot, and hunts, filling it with all the food her larvae will ever need before laying her eggs inside it. The yellow jackets and black jackets are eusocial. That means they live in a colony with a queen who lays all the eggs supported by a non-reproductive class. Worker yellow jackets actively defend their nests against threats, which is why, of all the Aculeata, yellow jackets are the most likely to sting you. Superfamily Apoidea includes the aphid wasps, digger wasps, and the bees. I have another video just about bees because they were my focus this summer. To recap it, bees are wasps specialized for eating pollen and nectar from flowers. There are 7 families of bees. I have found mining bees, sweat bees, plaster bees, leafcutter bees, and members of family Apidae, a diverse group that includes the woodcutter bees, longhorn bees, honeybees, and bumblebees, as well as the kleptoparasitic nomad bees. Superfamily Formicidae are the ants. They will be my focus next summer. So far, I've just taken a few snaps of their diversity. The ant fanciers on iNaturalist, the app where I log all of my insect finds, are most excited about these bicolor Amazon ants. Amazon ants are fascinating because they can't care for their brood or even feed themselves. Instead, they enslave other ants to do that work. I hope you've enjoyed this quick look at the coolest group.